Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to download Lastpass Chrome extension. First open your Chrome browser, then search on it Lastpass. Then go to lastpass.com. After that scroll down and go to download page. After that click on Lastpass for Chrome, first link. Then now you can see Chrome web store is opening, and next step click on add to Chrome, add extension. After that Chrome will automatically add the Lastpass browser extension on this browser. After downloading this extension, click on extension icon and click on pin it. After pin it, just log in this Lastpass account and use it. Thank you.